Hey guys, in this video, we're going to discuss a strategy with the SMA indicator and I will show real examples of successful trades. Stay tuned. Accurate signals, real-time live streams, and exclusive strategies. Is that what you want? Follow my Telegram channel, then the link is waiting for you in the description. I'm happy to welcome you guys to this deposit acceleration video. Today we're trading on the IQ option platform. It's been a while since we had a video related to this broker, but the most important thing is we're going to use a strategy that's been working and showing amazing results on my favorite broker. The link is in the description below this video, just like always. If you want to avoid verification and registration issues, if you want to get paid fast, doesn't matter what device you're using, follow the link right now. That's where the best terms of conditions are. So today we're accelerating the deposit. We're going to use a strategy based on one indicator. So everything you've come to expect, very simple but highly effective. So today we want to add two indicators. I mean one, but we're going to add it twice. And that is our moving average indicator. We're clicking it twice and apply these settings. This period is 11. The type must be EMA. And let's switch the color to green. Saving, going back here or here, it doesn't matter. This period will be 56. The type is EMA just as well. The color is red. And let's make it as bold as possible, 3 pixels. Make sure to select 15-second candle right here. The deal's expiry is going to be around 1 minute today. At 1.5, 1 to 1.5. And what's really important about today's trading strategy is your expiration time. Your deal's expiry should be around 4 to 5 times longer than the candle time frame you are using. It's really important, guys. I'm gonna explain the gist of this requirement a bit later. When you're done adding the two indicators, you can click this button right here, give it a name, and save the complete indicator set. For instance, let's say the chart is empty now, and let's say you want to trade with this particular strategy. In that case, you are just clicking right here, then here, selecting the name you picked, and that's it. The indicators have been automatically applied onto the chart with proper settings. Now back to trading per se. What do we need to know? First things first, as I've already said, we're using the expiry time 4 to 5 times bigger than your candle time frame. It's important because we sure want to be able to make long deals. Look, we've got two lines, the green line and the red one. The green line is a faster one, while the red one is obviously slower, which is why the two lines might cross occasionally. When the intersection implies the green line crossing the red one upwards, ending up above the ladder, it's a signal, a reversal confirmation, or the beginning of an uptrend. When the whole situation is vice versa, suggesting the green line will cross the red one downwards, it's a confirmation of a downtrend start. Thereby, in this case, we only ever trade upwards, whereas in this one, we solely trade downwards. It's very important. Be sure to not mix that up, guys. Now, let's pick a currency pair, some chart I will be okay working with, and we will start placing our trades. Seizing the moment, I would also like to tell you about one peculiarity right away. Look, so here is a flat market. It's not moving downwards, nor is it going up. It's just flowing within a certain trading range with defined top and bottom borders. Therefore, since the price is being so wobbly here within this range, there are lots of intersections on the indicator. But trading according to these intersections is equal to throwing your entire deposit down the drain, because this amount of poor intersections will never get you any profit. Remember that, guys, and keep that in mind. This chart piece right here, however, is a whole different story. There is a clear uptrend and a pretty much certain downtrend. So when we see a trend switch, when we observe a long upward motion finally fading away slowly and reversing, and we notice an intersection, that's the only case we're placing a trade in. Let's finally get to practice, guys. I think everything's gonna be much clearer when we start trading, you know. But trust me, guys, there is nothing complicated about it. Trust me. Well, let's start. So guys, I found a really interesting situation at the asset of gold. Volatility has increased a lot, but I think we can place a trade during this correction. What can we notice here overall? First of all, here was this pretty long downtrend, well, long enough in the scale of this particular chart piece, and then the chart reversed, prompting this intersection. Let's zoom in a little bit and see. The green line crossed the red one upwards. Basically, the past line is a top now, essentially confirming the new uptrend, the rising motion, so to say. Literally 1 minute in, we're getting $425 of profit. Isn't it wonderful? Of course, this deal was way more risky than normal one would be, because there's definitely some kind of fresh financial news involved, because, you know, just look how much the volatility has increased. It would have been obviously much safer to enter had the market situation been normal. So let's move on to the next chart. The recent financial news didn't really impact the overall situation. Our current task is to wait for a complete intersection of the two lines. That will be confirmed by the next candle. The candle following the intersection, this candle right here, or the next one, gonna completely settle in the chart. While the candle is still moving and forming, we're not entering the market, guys. As soon as the candle settles, basically, we definitely want to see this candle to end up red. As soon as that happens, the intersection is considered to be confirmed. We're not willing to rush. Let's be patient and wait for a little while, because, like, look right here, the candle turned out to be green, which led the intersection to get cancelled. This candle must be red when it settles. Yeah, there are so many nuances to the whole thing. We ought to wait for a complete signal confirmation. Only after that can we enter the market. So the intersection is settled. It doesn't have any more chances to revoke anymore, no matter what color the candle will be of. What does the situation look like at this point? Let's see. It's pretty appealing and convenient for trading, actually. We've got this upward motion, no suspicious indefinite intersections to be found. The previous one worked out perfectly. Now the market displays a corrective retracement. I'm not sure what levels it's heading towards. However, most importantly, the intersection appeared giving us a signal downwards, which means in 1 minute the market gotta go along with this signal, moving lower than our initial entry point. Now we're gonna observe the process and wait for it to work out. The trade will close in 20 seconds. Let's see how it goes. Guys, the moment was actually indeed risky. Imagine the trade lost. In that case, I would have doubled the deal amount, because the situation is legit anyway. The price rolls back towards this red moving average line. The line is pretty important. You can notice the market reacts to it very often, since it's so big and significant due to its period of 56. Thereby, the price has come back to the red candle. Basically, even now, we can feel free to keep trading downwards. I'm sure the market will go full on the falling. Although, right now, right here, the chart behaves the way it would be dangerous for us to trade downwards on the other hand. Well, anyway, we gotta go with the flow. Let's look for the next signal, the next situation to work with. So my dear friends, here's our next case to potentially enter the market within. Right now, we gotta make sure to wait for a complete intersection. In order for the chart to get there, one or two, couple of Japanese candles gotta entirely form and settle. For instance, if this candle ends up green, the intersection will settle for sure. So we're waiting for it to appear and stay in the chart in order to, not make a mistake of entering too early. And we're gonna place one upwards trade here. So literally like 5 seconds. Yep, amazing. I think we can enter now. The market has 1 minute to proceed with the suggested motion. If we run a quick analysis, we can see the market went down after some financial news. The price tried to escape that consequent fall motion, but I missed that moment. So right now I see potential for some kind of an upcoming reversal or the uptrend confirmation, which is what we're essentially talking about. 45 seconds are left until the trade closes. Let's observe the process together. So guys, the trade has closed. It was really close to the entry point. I think we can try and place another one upwards just as well. Most importantly, the price shouldn't fall below the red line right here. We're placing our trade. Overall, the whole situation is quite simple. You just want to make sure to follow the ground rules that work for roughly any strategy. By the way, I often post educational videos on my Telegram channel that'll help you increase your trade's win rate and therefore earn more in one trading session. And if you still stably lose your money, today I'm running a free trading session on that channel, so you guys can feel free to join and take part in trading with me. So meanwhile, our fourth trade has closed in profit, getting us another $425 of net. Let's find some other interesting case and see. So this case is pretty similar to the Euro US dollar asset. The market started falling after financial news. It has already recovered though. The lines crossed. Thereby we can tell the signal occurred around this area, and the chart is, by the way, at the same level currently. So that's the reasonings behind the trade. There's even a little corrective retracement towards one of the moving average lines. Overall, the market has already gained some rising capacity. The trend switch is clear as a day. The intersection just lets us, reassure. The last trade, if it closes in profit, we will have reached a nice sum in total. 35 seconds are left. Let's wait. A nice one. Well guys, don't forget to apply the freshly gained knowledge and practice. Try the strategy out on your real account. Don't ignore the features I told you about in the beginning. Those are extremely important things that can help you make your trading experience significantly more profitable. See you guys in my next video. Bye bye.